RAAIS is a mission-driven nonprofit organization to try to bring more people into the AI conversation. Today we held our 9th annual Research and Applied AI Summit. It's an event that brings together 200 people across industry, academia, and policy to discuss the research and applications of AI technology.
I feel like they've been able to get the best of the best from a lot of different research labs and also applied startups. It's been really magical to see these conversations.
I think a lot of ideas aren't necessarily written down anywhere. They remain in people's heads. So only speaking to people do I find out what do they actually think about this idea. Have they tried this thing? Have they succeeded or failed?
I think it's awesome to speak to such a great audience in such a nice place with so many interesting co-speakers. Not only the presentation that always makes me excited, but the talk afterward about all kinds of topics related to technology that, especially as a researcher, are always extremely interesting to get others' opinion on.
RAAIS is a very unique DNA. You can feel it straight as you walk into a door. We see familiar faces that have been coming for 10 years across the world. Individuals are flying in from the Netherlands, the US, and really exchanging on how we can drive AI together.
A lot of the time when you go to conferences, there's not really enough of the specific, precise information. I feel like this event really nails it.
Something that's great about this event is that it brings together a really big diversity of people. It's been interesting to talk to policy folks and entrepreneurs today, what they feel excited about, what they feel apprehensive about, kind of get a pulse on what the rest of the world is doing.
I think it's important for anyone working around policy and politics to be understanding where this technology is going. The single big world event right now is this technology revolution. This is where the kind of conversations will be taking place.
The theme of this year's event is really to look at just how fast progress has happened in AI when we zoom out this 10-year window. So we looked at the positive impacts of AI on drug discovery, bringing new medicines to patients faster. We looked at it in the context of security and defense, protecting our liberal democracies. We looked at how we can now have access to any piece of knowledge at our fingertips in seconds, and just how plentiful opportunities we have to build tools that didn't exist in the past.
I think there's a really interesting group of people who are really building new technology, new companies, thinking really hard about how all of this new technology is being applied to the world and how we govern that as well, which is really exciting to be part of.
The people that I've spoken to today who they want to build a great company, but they are also doing this to change the world for the better in whichever domain. This real close conversation and dialogue between these people, I think is really excellent.
There are people here from very diverse walks of life, with very diverse objectives, but with a shared set of values about openness, about curiosity, and about having beneficial impact of AI on the world. Much as I was communicating to them, I was also receiving back from people all sorts of different perspectives, which will alter the ideas that are in my brain so that next time I go and select the thing to work on, it's going to be that much better.
I just think that we have a moral imperative to be investing in this technology and educating people for how they should use it and get the most value from it, because I think there's no going back and the future is certainly more bright than where we came from.